In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete sold listings from Facebook Marketplace. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you're an active seller and want to keep your marketplace experience tidy and organized. We'll guide you through the process with ease, so let's get started. First, you'll want to open up Facebook. Go to your preferred web browser, type in facebook.com, and log into your account if you aren't already. Once you've gained access, locate the downward-facing arrow in the upper right corner of your Facebook homepage. This icon is your gateway to unlocking a range of Facebook's features. Next, you'll click on Settings and Privacy. This option will typically be found near the bottom of the drop-down menu that appears once you've clicked on the arrow. Selecting this will unfold additional options, and it's here that you're going to make the essential adjustments needed to manage your listings. Now, look for Activity Log among the listed options and give it a click. The Activity Log is essentially your digital history book on Facebook. It keeps track of your actions on the platform, including posts, comments, and of course, marketplace activities. Use this to your advantage for streamlining your marketplace experience. Once you're inside the Activity Log, you'll see an option labeled Your Facebook Activity. Clicking on this option helps filter what you want to manage, making it easier to locate those pesky sold listings that you no longer need. It's all about making the navigation process straightforward and focused. Next, you'll want to direct your attention towards the option marked Facebook Marketplace. Clicking on this will bring you to a list of your action history specific to marketplace dealings. This is where you can zero in on sold listings that we're going to clean up. Now, across from each marketplace listing, you'll see 3 dots. Click on those. It's as easy as a quick tap, and what follows is a drop-down menu offering further interactions with your listings. You'll notice a delete option on this menu. Clicking it permits you to remove the listing from view. Consider this as hitting the refresh button on your marketplace profile, clearing the clutter so you're only left with active engagements. Finally, for confirmation, you'll need to press delete again. Think of it as a digital handshake between you and the Facebook server, ensuring you indeed wish to proceed with the removal. And there you have it. Your sold listing is deleted, streamlining your marketplace presence and making room for fresh opportunities. Remember, keeping your listings updated does wonders for maintaining an organized and efficient selling experience. Thanks for watching and happy selling.